gonna do GD mods? Send your own levels?
No, I was gonna well, yes, but...
Who's the mod that has the least CP?
I think Blitzer. He has no CP. At least I don't think so. I think there are some other mods that...
Actually, it's probably Doggy.
No, Doggy has 1 CP.
Oh, he has
Yeah,
some
the Gins.
Blitzer has no CP. I think Mr. In has no CP.
Who the fuck is that guy?
I don't know. He's like one of the most recent mods. One of the newest. He was promoted like a few months ago.
Hold on, is this possible? I don't know.
Die to something cringe challenge.
What did Kuzaretta mean by this?
What is what? Huh? ¿Qué? ¿Qué dónde?
¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde está?
¿Dónde
Like, where
está
are
la
you?
madre?
Isn't that, where is your mother? Isn't that what that
Guys, I'm at the ending. No way.
Beat it right now.
Okay.
Is he on the station, by the way?
Hack.
Bro, I'm at 90.
Don't get nervous.
Going.
Don't get nervous. Hey, Enfur, don't be nervous.
I beat it.
Why are you
Yay.
hacking? Why are you hacking?
I wanted to
You're
say
hacking right now.
you are manually breathing.
You're breathing
Saying that
manually,
while
you're
you're
blinking.
actually
Yeah,
throwing
and
the
put this in
hallucination.
the video. You're blinking manually, you're breathing manually. You can feel the clothes on
You
your
can
back.
feel
You
your
can feel the tongue
skin.
in your mouth.
Dislike because shit parts are impossible.
You can feel all the dead skin cells on your skin.
You're literally
Oh,
hacking.
Jesus, that-
You're hacking. Hacker. Hack sword.
There are multiple insects on your body right now.
Your dogs are out.
Bro,
Not
your
35
dogs
on
are
Tuesday
out.
night.
Your dogs are out.